Okay.
Help me! Help me, Daddy!
Yeah, it is. We're gonna have to edit out that stuff after, but okay. This is Bow Leggett, and this is Daddy, looking great. And we doing Play-Doh's Prettiest Princess Castle. That's right. Now, here's the story behind this. We got this for free. We also got something else with Disney princesses, and I tried to take it back, but they can't find the UPC code, so pretty much we have to keep it. Bo is very excited.
Yeah, we gotta keep it, and we can play that toy.
All right, so are you ready to play with Disney's Prettiest Princess Castle?
Yeah.
All right.
I am, sir.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Now
So the first thing we have is
the castle.
that's right, piece of the castle. This
And
is
we
another.
can put Play-Doh in
That's
the
right.
house.
And this is another piece of the castle. We'll put that in there. It seems like it's some kind of press that you push the Play-Doh in there and the stuff will come out. We're gonna get to that in a little bit.
We can do that.
Yeah, we sure can. Then we have this. This is some kind of press. I guess that makes one of the dresses or something for them. Yeah, you can check it out. See them hiding out in there.
I know.
So they have one of those. That looks great. They have another. Yeah, and they have another one here to do the dresses.
Yeah, it is. On the castle.
Yeah, and the thing about these ones that are better than the dollar store is they're two pieces. So I think when we put the Play-Doh in, it actually might work better than the cheap ones. So who knows?
And this is another one.
And we got some Play-Doh, of course. Some, yeah, we did. And we got sparkly magic Play-Doh in there too.
Magic Play-Doh.
There's some other pieces here that looks like the base.
Those are full.
Yeah, here's another press to make the dresses. So peep that.
Yeah.
That looks sick. Just
These
amazing.
are for my dress.
This looks pretty good too. And if you look inside, you'll see all about it. Now earlier, Bo got to open up this one. This is Cinderella. She came in a separate box with a bunch of rubber dresses and some other stuff. Yeah, we can do it. So we'll see what she thinks about everything. So far, she's loving it. I love this. Trinny up and baby up.
Then I don't work like that.
Okay. So these, I think, are the instructions which we're gonna need.
Later.
That's right. So you're gonna read the instructions to me while I do it. Okay. What's the first step? Okay, well, don't lose those because we need them.
I'll take two for the concert.
I don't go to the beach. The white, you silly Buster man.
Okay. Here's the rest of the stuff. I guess that's pretty much it. So, get out of the way. So those ones are all... Do you like those?
Yeah, I like those.
Do you know who these are?
Those are gold.
Yeah. This one's Cinderella. This one's, I don't know, Sleeping Beauty, I think. And this one's Belle. The one that was in the Beast movie that we saw the other day. Do you remember?
Yeah. Those are her.
She can make her little friends too. Not bad. Okay, so here's Belle. You can check that one out.
And Belle.
Yeah. Yeah, we watched that one the other day. Remember?
Yeah.
Did you like that movie?
Yeah, I did.
What did you think of it? would you tell other people to watch that movie?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so here's Sleeping Beauty or Cinderella.
Oh, I'm asleep.
Yeah. No, this one's Sleep. This one's Sleeping Beauty.
Not sleeping.
Yeah. So let's see what we have to do next now. So let's
Now
go.
let's play together.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, so let's read the instructions. Alright, now to play. Each princess fits inside the mold. Oh, okay, so they go in here, but we're not gonna deal with that first. We're gonna figure out. Okay, here we go. So, phase 1 was that. We did phase 1 right there. So phase 2 is this. So phase 2 we go like this. Okay, booyah. Okay, and then these stuffs, I guess they go on the side or something. Wow, this is great.
Yeah, we can make a dress.
I think so. Okay, so this one, let me see.
Okay.
Okay, so this one goes in the front. I don't know why. And I guess we put also. So there's the
Now we can do it.
yeah, we getting close. So there's the castle itself. It opens right up. You stick everybody in there with some Play-Doh and it's rock and roll.
You can't lose that though.
Okay, so first thing we do is let's get them right in there.
Now let's get the Play-Doh. What can we pick?
Okay, so I'll put this one in here.
We can make a dress. Like
I guess so. Okay, I'll close her up. You put in the next one, I guess.
okay. I'll put her in. Not going in. I'll put her.
Yeah, you have to put it like that.
Okay, let's go. Hook it up.
So try it.
Don't pull an edge, you only have to say,
Okay.
hook it up.
So
Sounds good.
yeah.
That's very good.
Okay, and then we put this one. Here. It's not closing. Hold on.
Now I can see mine now.
You can?
Yeah.
Okay, so we get it closed up.
Oh.
What happened?
What?
What does that mean?
Got these like dumb.
We didn't really get a dress on, did we? So let's see what it tells us to do. So it's fill the tower compound. Oh, and then you could press out Rapunzel's hair. Remove the doors and play inside the castle. Decorate. Shape stained glass.
We can do this ourselves.
Yeah, we can. For now, we're gonna use just wait. We're gonna use just the magical ones. So let's see. These ones don't sparkle. These ones don't sparkle. So these three do. These three are sparkly. We're gonna use these ones, and we're gonna save those ones for later. Okay? Huh? Yeah. So, okay, so let's get the doors off first, and let's have a party because this is princess time, right?
Okay.
All right. Okay. Here we go.
I see a Play-Doh in there.
Okay. Wow. Really get ready for this one.
We're ready for this first.
Okay. So. Okay. No wonder it wasn't working. Okay, so we need. Okay, so.
Need Play-Doh.
This is Cinderella. This one. Cinderella goes in here because she wears the slipper. Belle goes in here because of the rose. Okay. And then the last one must be this one. I don't know who this is, but I guess it's Sleeping Beauty because it just nothing else makes sense. So we have all three of them in there. Here we go. Right. See the stuff on the bottom. They all in there. There's the castle. Bo's loving that. Is that good stuff? Okay, let's make the dress first for Belle. Okay, so I guess we take Play-Doh.
Yeah, and we can put it in her castle, whatever. It's squishy. Let's do like that.
Okay, wait. Hold on. Keep going.
Now let's put some in. Let's put some in. Let's put her here. Now let's put some later.
Okay. Alright, put that in here. And then go ahead, squeeze it in here. Okay, wait, let me see which way it goes. I'll tell you which way. Goes. No, it goes this way. Hold on. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Here you go. I'll hold it.
Let's do it.
Oh, yeah.
Almost. Doing good. Her hair is coming out. It's coming out.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think? Did it work?
Yeah, it worked. Now let's do that again.
Wow, okay, let's do it again. Let's get some more in there.
Yeah, we gotta get some more. Come back in. So we can do that.
Okay, alright, here you go.
Yeah, here we go now.
Calm down.
Okay, are you ready now?
Okay, hold on.
Where can we put it? Coway?
Go nuts.
Oh
Her hair's coming out. It's coming out.
no! Yeah,
Pretty good.
yay! The hair come out.
Wow, Rapunzel did it.
Yeah, we did it. No person didn't do it. We did.
Yeah, we did.
Her didn't do it. Almost there. We are almost there. Almost. Now her hair is big now.
And that's what it takes to make Play-Doh hair for Rapunzel.
Yeah. There.
Good job.
That's her hair now.
Good job. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's see what happens when we put some in here.
Yeah, now let's take this.
Because I think you're supposed to cut this in half.
Yeah, this is the greatest hair I ever seen.
You did?
You ever seen it for Rapunzel's hair?
You did?
Yeah, her hair is big.
Okay. I think you're supposed to put all of it in here. I don't know, because even when I put just that, I need more in there. Let me see some more there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
So we put like half and half, I think, I guess. I don't know.
Ew. Ow.
Is there more in there? I think I need it.
Okay. Okay, I can get these for you.
Okay, thank you.
Here, these.
Thank you.
I need them for me.
Okay.
I need these.
Okay, so wait, let's see what happens. Cause here we go. So you loaded it up and you press. We're gonna squeeze it together.
Okay. Okay.
Squeeze it.
Okay, I'm gonna squeeze it.
Can you squeeze too?
Okay. I did it.
All right. Now let's open it up.
Okay. Now let's
But I don't understand though. Like we have this piece now. That's for dress. So do we like take it off and we put it on like this? Let's try. This looks crazy, but okay.
Now let's do that again.
Okay. Let's try this again.
Yeah.
Which one do you want to do? The hair? You want to do Rapunzel?
Yeah, Puzzle's here.
Okay. All
I
right.
can't let's do that again.
Okay. All right. Here you go.
I am from Paris, France.
We like it again. 2, 3, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9,
Shadow from the night.
6, 8,
Big
9, 6, 8, 9.
Oh, so sorry. That makes it big mistake. I thought it was a
We only need a little bit. That's easy.
So the dress molds, I don't know. It doesn't really work. We're gonna try these now. See what happens. Here's the Play-Doh.
Where's it?
And these ones actually came out okay. I don't think you actually play with them though. But if you take a look, you can see there's Lumiere, Chip, and the mom and the teapot. And Rapunzel's here. It's just gonna keep on coming. I'm really glad about that.
Why can I do it?
Keep pushing. Hold on, wait. Let me see. Here you go. Let me see. Let me try.
Okay.
Oh, it was in backwards. That's why. Here you go. Try now.
It's going to work. It's
Coming.
Squeeze.
Boy, you're gonna wind up sleeping it off. Not going to
I need help.
Did I say move?
Okay.
Go on, turn it loose, sister, and that
Let me see. Let me see.
Okay. I can this. Now let's do that again.
Okay, hold on. I'll put in some more. Just wait. More's coming.
Okay.
It's
It
coming.
is coming.
It's coming.
It's coming.
Okay. Okay, here it goes. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go.
Why is this inside? Now let's try that again.
Okay.
Oh, here's another player we can put back in.
Okay, put it in.
I need help.
Okay.
Big giant light on.
Let me see.
So we can make it like and get her here up. I got. What's on? What is it?
Here it comes.
Okay, I got it right. Okay, this is not good. Alex, thank you.
No problem. Here comes the rest.
He got it right at it. Lemon.
No, we're gonna save those ones. We're gonna save those ones.
like yours. And we're gonna just cut it. Where's the scissors? Can cut.
I don't think we have scissors for this one.
Yeah. We just have a couple here go down.
So yeah, Disney princesses, prettiest castle, palace, whatever.
Now let's do that again.
Yeah, you can do as much as you want. You can keep putting it through. Go ahead.
Now you put these in.
Well, let's save this one for the other one because we have green in there already, and if we put it in together, it's gonna all mix up. So I don't know how we even get that out. Because I think that I don't know, that stays in there or something. Or
Wow, this is a big guy.
right.
Like a
Off. Okay, so that's thing 2.
Yeah, this is a big.
So I don't know what we're supposed to do there to get that little bit out, but we can keep running it through or whatever.
This is a good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, I would say,
Just make
for
it.
fun, maybe like
We can
6,
fix
7.
We can fix her here.
But this stuff here is a lot of unnecessary
We can
stuff in
fix
here.
her here. We can fix
Yeah,
her
we can
here.
fix it. That's for the princess stuff. I mean, I don't know.
Let's do that again.
Go nuts, buddy. Let's do it.
What's wrong?
In the meantime, we'll keep making Rapunzel's hair, will we not? Overall, the product, like the packaging's really nice and all that stuff. Because the packaging was really nice, the box was good, everything was ready to go.
It's a 19.
No, it's called a turret, I think.
It's like a castle.
Yeah,
When
a
the-
castle's turret.
When Rapunzel gets there like that.
Because remember, Rapunzel lived in a tower like that.
And he just climb
That's
like
right.
that. Like that. Why are you climb up? That.
Yeah, okay, you put this one in there.
Okay. Okay. Only how?
Well, you can do it.
A little bit higher. A little bit. Our castle comes down.
Do you like this toy?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah, I like toys.
Do you like this toy? Do you like the princess's toy?
No, just the player.
Just to play it on? Okay.
And get a bunch of. Hi. No, why are you? Shoot it. I got the beard. Oh, man.
Some in there. Here you
Now
go.
put this one in.
I just put some in. Here.
Okay. I am putting this.
You made it.
Yeah. Let's do that. Let's.
Like, there's a lot of small stuff here, like molds that you can make. But I don't know.
No grilling, no lamp. It's fine.
I can't really say us playing with this again.
Yeah, we are playing the Play-Doh again.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's put these on. You like these on?
Yeah.
So let's put these in.
Okay, put them in.
I mean how?
No, here, I'll show you.
Okay. Okay, you are? Oh, good. Good job, boy. Good. Job, boy.
Yeah?
Now you try it our way. Our way means no more beach rats and no more hair braiding. You understand what I'm saying? Yes, but I can't promise I'll go along. Did you remain at this house?
So, that's it for Disney's prettiest princess castle.
Yeah.
I'll let you know how it goes.
Look at her.
You'll